Welcome to Study Clips Library. Today we will learn about World War I, also called the Great War. It went from 1914 to 1918 and changed the whole world. Millions of people died and countries were changed forever. In this video, we'll look at why the war started, the important things that happened, and how it changed everything in the 1900s. We'll also talk about what happened after the war, like the Treaty of Versailles and a new group called the League of Nations. We'll see if the League was good at stopping more wars. World War I was different from any war before it. Everyone was involved, not just soldiers. New weapons like machine guns, tanks, and poison gas made fighting even more dangerous. The war changed millions of lives, both for soldiers and regular people. A lot of different things caused the war. Countries building up their armies, making alliances with each other, wanting more land, and strong feelings of nationalism all made the war possible. The assassination of Archduke Franz Ferdinand of Austria-Hungary on June 28, 1914, was the final event that started the war. Lots of problems led to the war. European countries didn't trust each other. They started building bigger armies and navies, which made everyone scared. Countries made alliances to protect themselves, but these alliances ended up pulling more countries into the war. When Austria-Hungary declared war on Serbia, it was like a chain reaction. Germany, Austria-Hungary's friend, declared war on Russia, Serbia's friend. Then Germany declared war on France, Russia's friend. Great Britain promised to protect Belgium, so when Germany invaded Belgium to get to France, Great Britain declared war on Germany. Countries also wanted colonies in Africa, Asia, and around the Pacific Ocean. These colonies gave them resources and places to sell things. The competition for colonies made countries angry at each other. Nationalism, or strong feelings about one's country, also played a big part. Many groups wanted their own countries, especially in the Balkans, where they wanted to be free from Austria-Hungary. Gavrilo Princip, a Serbian nationalist, assassinated Archduke Franz Ferdinand, who was next in line to rule Austria-Hungary. This event happened because of these nationalist feelings. The assassination of Archduke Franz Ferdinand started the war. Quickly, European countries got their armies ready. Germany had a plan called the Schlieffen Plan. They wanted to quickly attack Belgium and then France, but the plan didn't work, and the fighting in Western Europe became very difficult. Soldiers fought from trenches, long ditches dug into the ground. There was a dangerous area called no man's land between the trenches. Barbed wire, machine guns, and big guns made it almost impossible to move forward. Millions of soldiers died in these trenches. Battles like the Somme and Verdun were incredibly terrible. While the fighting in Western Europe wasn't moving, the war continued in other places. The Eastern Front, a huge area from the Baltic Sea to the Black Sea, saw big battles between Germany and Austria-Hungary against Russia. The war also spread to the Middle East, Africa, and Asia, as countries used people and resources from their colonies. The Treaty of Versailles officially ended World War I, but it also caused problems for the future. Germany was punished severely, and many historians think this led to World War II. The League of Nations was created to help countries work together and avoid war, but it wasn't very strong. The Treaty of Versailles is still talked about today because it changed how countries interact with each other. Thank you for watching. For more educational content, visit our studycliplibrary.com.